Hello, I want to come on really quick. I want to show you two cards that I made using the Spellbinders and also a baby mini album. But that die I used from AliExpress. So first, let me show you the dies that I use. It's this one, and it's the small die of the month for June 2020. And it has examples on it in the back. And then the large die of the month for June I also used. I used this one and I believe these two dies. And also this one. And that's how it is the back. So the first card with the small die of the month, I made this one. And then inside I put "so very grateful, sending hugs." So I'm going to send it out to one of my friends. And then the next one was this one. Also saying thank you. And this one says, "so grateful for everything you do and your support. But most of all, I'm thankful for the amazing person you are." So I use the die inside also. And that's how that came. And the stamps I use, one was from Stampin' Up, and this one was Simon Says. And the thank you was from the same one, but I just embossed it differently. And then that one, I forgot where I got that stamp. Sorry. So those are the two cards that I made, which I have to send out tomorrow. And that's using the Spellbinders of June. The next die that I bought a very long time ago was this humongous die, and it's to make this is to make the seam binding, but you do have to cut it to size for this book if you're going to use this book. So I used the two large ones and also this one. And then I use, I believe, this one to make a pocket. And that is all the three dies that I did. They do bend, as you can see here. They're bended. So if you use them a lot, it does bend. So you gotta try to put it back. And I did put it on a big magnetic to keep it together. So that store where I bought it, I think 2 years ago, and I didn't have a machine to cut it because it was too big for my Big Shot. So when I bought my big die cutting machine, I remembered I had it in the drawer stuffed. So this is the store where I bought it, and that's the amount I paid for at that time, like 2 years ago. So this is the baby mini album that I made. I am going to gift this to someone. And it says, "oh baby." I did use some stickers from, I did have it here. Yes, right here it is. I use these stickers from Memento. As you can see, there's only a few left. And I picked it up at Tuesday morning. And then this one I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And there's only a few left of this one also. And this one is from Crate Paper. Little U. So the seam binding, I did like that. I did put some charms in here, a robot, a little duck, and a bear. And this is the back. And some seam that I had in my stash. So inside, it opens flat when you open it. So I like that. So here, I made a pocket. And I made this on my own. And I did use, I'm going to show you the paper pads that I used. So this is one of the paper pads that I used, and it was this color that I used only. Go away. And then this one I used like one page of that cardstock. And then the one that I recently picked up from Tuesday Morning, Bundle of Joy. And those are the only cardstocks that I used, which is a lot. So, back to the book. Here I did use a sticker saying 1 month. Every page has 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, like that. And then this one you open here, and it's a flip out, plus you open it up there like that. And then here she could put his first haircut, a little bit of his hair, some cards to fill in. So it's a pocket in this one. And then here it is left open so that she could slide a photo. So all of these she could put photos in. And then in here is a pocket which you could put photos also inside each of the book. So the next book is this one, and everything is left open to slide the photo in. And here also to slide the photo in. So this one is 2 months, 3 months, plus she could put photos in here. Another one. This one is 4 months, 5 months. This one says Sweet Dreams Little One, and it is open. And it's open here, and it's open here, where you could slide the photo in there. This one is 6 months, and again I did do like that, and then you pick it up. And this one I left it open where she could put a photo. And then here is this side here. The next page, this one is 7 months. 8 months. And everything is open. And that one is 9 months. And these little tabs are little hearts for each one. 10 months. 11 months. And then 12 months. And again, you could open it up. And they are magnetic, all of them. And then the last page, she could put the family pictures here when he's 1 year old. And then 1, 2, and then she could add another photo here of the family with the baby. And then the last page here. I am going to put my information here, just in case she has any questions, she could contact me. And that is it. That is my baby photo album and the 2 thank you cards using the Spellbinders and the AliExpress die. I made this baby book. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down at the comment section down below. And as always, please give it a thumbs up if you liked this video. And please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.